This is a case study for a page called Jesus Daily. It's a huge page, it's been around for a long time. They've pretty much been the top page in the Christianity niche on Facebook for quite a long time. But to be honest, they don't really do anything special. You can see that the images aren't particularly great, not particularly well polished. So we're going to have a look at their reels. They post lots of Christianity reels. They don't do particularly well. Let's have a look at their photos. So yeah, the photos are all pretty similar. No doubt they make these in bulk. Very simple. So what I've done, I've gone over to Amplify Post Scraper and I've scraped the most recent 1,000 posts. You can see that the engagement on all of their content is very high. I mean, it's consistently 4 figures, which you'd expect for a big page. So what we're looking for is kind of 6-figure engagement. So this one here, it's 862,000 reactions, 554,000 comments, and 152,000 shares. So we're just going to have a look at this one. And it's just a text post, and it's not even a Toby post, there's no background, so it's just a post. So it really is all about resonating with your audience on Facebook. To a certain extent, whether you do a reel, whether you do an image, whether you do a Toby or a simple text post, it doesn't really matter. It's the message that's important, which is what I'm seeing across a lot of pages now where they're using the latest AI tactics to create amazing looking reels, sort of stuff Pixar would have done back in the day. Now you can do very cheaply and easily. But the messages, the captions are the same as that have always worked on Facebook. So if you can nail down the message, you can nail down the text, the captions, then you'll do really well on Facebook, regardless of how you format that caption as a post. So let's just go and have a look, see if they've had anything else pop off. There's 38k there. So there's some big 5-figure engagements there. Yeah, 4-figure engagements, very consistent engagement. But most of these are on images. So it just goes to show, sometimes a simple text post can actually be the most effective kind of post.